Are you on the lookout for natural ways to enhance your well-being? Your search ends here. Get ready to discover 7 miraculous juices that have the potential to revolutionize your health in no time. Let's kick things off with beetroot juice. Loaded with vital nutrients, beetroot juice is known to enhance stamina and lower blood pressure. Next, indulge in the goodness of pomegranate juice. This potent antioxidant can effectively reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Ever considered wheatgrass juice? This superfood is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, facilitating detoxification and bolstering immunity. For a revitalizing choice, turn to cucumber juice. With its hydrating properties and low-calorie content, cucumber juice can work wonders for your skin and aid in weight management. Seeking to improve digestion, give ginger juice a shot. This zesty elixir can alleviate nausea and promote gut health. Feeling a bit low on energy? Pineapple juice might be the answer. Brimming with vitamins and enzymes, it can enhance digestion and alleviate inflammation. Last but not least, embrace the benefits of kale juice. This leafy green powerhouse is packed with nutrients, aiding in detoxification and fortifying the immune system. So why wait any longer? Take the plunge and experience the transformative power of these 7 miraculous juices today. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 7 miraculous juices. Each one packs a powerful punch, offering a unique blend of health benefits. From stamina, detoxification, hydration, to even heart health, there's a juice for everyone and every need. Trying these juices is a small step you can take towards a healthier lifestyle. So why not give it a go? Whether you're looking to boost your energy, manage your weight, or simply add more nutrients to your diet, these juices are a fantastic way to start. Remember, your health journey is personal and unique. You can experiment with these juices, mix them up, and find what works best for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative. Every thumbs up motivates us to bring more such valuable content to you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more health and wellness content coming up that you won't want to miss. So, here's to a healthier, happier you. Cheers.